Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on Swissquote. And for this, we go right here to the Ethereum chart, because right now, if you just click right here on new order, you will see this order page right here. Then we fill in right here the volume that we want to buy. So let's do a 1 CFD right there. And then we can create from here a stop loss by clicking on the plus icon. Now we can throw the line to the place where we want to set the amount of balance where he will stop our losses. Or we can fill in right here the amount. So let's say 1800 will be nice. So this is how you can fill in your stop loss and put your stop loss. So just fill in or by changing the line right there. So right now, if you click here on buy, you will see right here that we created ourselves a position. And now if you scroll here to the order right there, you see at stop loss 1809. And that means that our stop loss is now on 1809.1. So this is how you can stop loss right here on Swissquote. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.